Hi, my name's Karen Stangram and welcome to Conquer Crochet, the channel for tips, tricks and techniques for conquering your crochet. If you're new here, please consider subscribing and hitting the notification bell so you don't miss a single stitch. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to crochet in front of your post and behind the posts of your previous row stitches so you can get some interesting design features. It's one of the bases for crocheting cables. So if you're excited to get going, give me a thumbs up and let's do this. So to do our front of post stitch, I've done a row of chain stitch, a row of double crochet just to give me a bit of a base, and then I've done a row of trebles. You can do this through any stitch. You could do it through the posts of a double crochet. I'm doing it through trebles just for demonstration purposes so you can see how I'm doing this. So I'm going to chain 2 because I'm doing trebles. So I'm going to go into this gap here behind the post and come through. Okay, but because I'm doing trebles, I'm going to yarn over first into this gap here behind the post, grab my yarn and yarn over, pull the yarn back through behind that post, yarn over, pull through 2 loops on my hook, yarn over, pull through 2 loops on my hook. So I'm going to do that again, yarn over, going behind this post here, so into the gap, behind the post and out on the other side, so like a weave, yarn over, pull through behind that post, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through, yarn over into the gap here behind the post, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 on the hook, yarn over, pull through 2 on the hook, yarn over, insert my hook. So I'm going through the gap here behind the post and out the other side in the next hole. Yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Yarn over, behind, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through the 2 on your hook, yarn over, pull through the 2 on your hook. So again, yarn over, insert, behind, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Some more yarn, yarn over, insert, weave, yarn over, pull back through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through 2 loops on your hook, yarn over, insert, yarn over, pull back, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. So on the back we're getting a little bit of a ridge because we're not actually going through the top of that chain. These are the tops of the previous chains. We're moving away from those and we're just going through the posts. Yarn over into the gap, yarn over, back through that gap, yarn over through the 2, yarn over, pull back, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Yarn over, insert into the gaps, so weave behind, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Yarn over, insert, yarn over, insert, yarn over, insert through here, and then the last one we go through here, yarn over, insert, there's nothing to weave through, and there we have our row of front post trebles. Okay, so the reverse of that, the last time we were going through the front and behind. This time I've chained my 2, I'm going to yarn over because I'm doing trebles. I'm going to come in from behind. So I'm coming into that gap here. So yarn over, in from behind, over the top of that loop, into the next gap, yarn over, pull back through. So you have 3 loops on your hook, yarn over through 2, yarn over through 2. So yarn over, go into behind the work, into the gap, over the top of the post, through the next gap, yarn over, pull back through that gap there, back through the gap that you first went through, 3 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, into the back, over the front of the post, yarn over, pull back through, pull back through, yarn over through 2, yarn over through 2, yarn over, into the gap, into the next gap in front of the post, yarn over, pull back through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. So do that really slowly, so yarn over. So we've gone around this post already, so we want to go around this post here. So coming through the back into that gap, over in front of that post, into the next space, yarn over, pull back through, then pull that yarn over the front of the post, back through the gap, and you have 3 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. And again I'll do it slowly because it is quite tricky, this one. Yarn over, so we're going round this post, we've just done that one, we're going round this post. So through the back, over the front of the post, through to the next hole, yarn over, pull back through that gap, pull back through the one you first went through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, you're going into this gap here. So insert, oops, I lost my yarn over that. Insert, going over that stitch, coming back out the back, yarn over, pulling back through and back through that first one, yarn over through 2, yarn over through 2. Yarn over, insert the hook, over the post, back out the back, yarn over, pull back through to the front, back through to the back, yarn over through 2, yarn over through 2. Yarn over, insert your hook, going round that post there, And if you find it easier to sort of work from the back, that's fine. So yarn over. It's almost like doing the front post. Yarn over, insert, back through, yarn over, insert over the top, I do this one slowly again, so yarn over, through the gap, over the post, back through the gap on the other side, yarn over, pull back through to the front, back through to the back, yarn over, through two, yarn over, through two, yarn over, through the gap, back to the back, and if you wanted to go around the last one, you can. Depends on what your pattern calls for. So that's how you do the back stitch. So from the front, it doesn't look too dissimilar. In fact, from the front, it looks very similar. I've lost the thing now. They look very similar, but it depends which is your right side and which is your wrong side. So that's the right side there, and that's the right side there. I can tell because I've got my tails here. So this one you get what looks like just very tall, almost like trebles. And this side you get a ridge going round. Obviously if I flip those over, they look like the reverse of each other because we have done exactly that. We've reversed the two stitches. So that's how to crochet in front of posts and behind posts. As I said earlier in the video, it's really useful for if you're wanting to do cable work, and it gives a really nice interesting texture to the fabric of your crochet. If you've enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you'd like to watch more videos like this, please hit the subscribe and the notification bell so you don't miss a single stitch. There are 2 other videos on the side here for you to watch and to help you progress your crochet journey. And thank you so much for joining me today, and happy hooking!